Story is taken under a waterfall, irresistibly caught by turmoil. Paul has lost his bearings. He is unable to see or even hear anything. What solution does he have to escape the waterfall's continuous flow? There is no point in complaining or analyzing the situation. In fact, if he just stepped back from the waterfall, he would have a better point of view to contemplate its beauty and the rays of light shining through it, or to appreciate the soothing sound of the water falling down. What does this story make you think about? To meditate, take a step back from the flow of your thoughts. We advise that you try not to judge, analyze, or control inner or external distractions, sounds, physical sensations, thoughts, emotions, but to welcome all events that occur with kindness.